Welcome to 5904 Alexa Road here in the Berkeley community in South Charlotte. My name is Mitch Boraski with the List Group, and I'm excited to introduce this brand new listing. Sitting on nearly a half an acre, this home has a first floor primary suite, beautiful open floor plan, and an architecturally designed four-season porch that is to die for. I cannot wait to show you the inside. Let's go check this one out. The heart of this home is this fully renovated kitchen. You have this expansive 9-foot island, stainless steel appliances, oak hardwood flooring, but more impressively is the craftsmanship. You have imported New England hardwood all around this entire island. You have soft close cabinetry and amazing millwork. This kitchen has attention to detail to die for. Another distinctive feature of this property is this four-season architecturally designed porch. You have a vent-free fireplace, 14-foot vaulted ceilings, and easy breeze windows. This is the perfect place to enjoy the Carolina living. Exiting the porch, you're welcomed by this spacious deck that is perfect for entertaining. You have this beautiful Brazilian wood that is 99-year rated, and you also have this modern stainless steel railings that go all around the exterior of the deck that makes this a nice touch of modern sophistication. This first floor primary suite offers an oasis of tranquility. You have a huge space, oak hardwood floors, and this en-suite primary bath that has vaulted ceilings, beautiful tile floors, dual vanity, but most impressively is this glass enclosed shower. And guys, this is absolutely amazing and offers plenty of space. As you can see, it is absolutely huge in here. How nice is this, guys, to come out after a long day and just enjoy this beautiful private backyard. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, all my information is on the screen, or you can reach me at 704-778-5007. I'll talk to you guys soon.